Hi friends, welcome to #TechieMit. So in this video we'll cover the practical demo of queue, priority queue and blocking queue. So let's jump right into the program. So I've created a class called as queue comparison example, and for the demo what we'll do, we'll also create a class called as class demo, task demo. What we'll do, it will implement the comparable interface. It will implement the compare to method. We'll take some parameters in priority, private string, task name. We create a getter status for it. We have created the toString method. Getter status, and yeah, we also create a constructor. We will use the generate constructor using fields. Create a constructor as well. Now in this method return integer dot we'll denote this as the task, other task dot priority in this dot priority. And this is a class, main class. Yeah, so this first step is completed. What you have done, we created the class, we implemented the comparable interface, we have taken a constructor, we have a toString method, getter set done for it, and the other task is the other task dot priority dot compare this dot priority. We have done the comparison, we have overridden the compare to method, and now now main this thing begins. We first create a list of the task demo list. We'll create almost 3 to 4 tasks. Suppose 2 task 1. Correct. Another task, let's skip it priority as 1. Goes task 2. Create almost 4 tasks. Alright, it's 4, 3, 4. This step. Now the list is created of the task. Now the important part becomes of creation of all the queues. So firstly we'll create the executor class, creation of queues, and yes. Yeah, we have created this. We have created four uh, four threads, and yeah, now we'll create the priority threads. So we'll first create the blocking priority. Blocking queue. This should be a link blocking queue. We have created the queues and we have created queues and executors. Now the important step will be we need to create a runnable lambda. To first we'll insert the elements into the lambda into this thing queues, and then we'll process it. That's come the important part. Runnable. So runnable. Producer. So in the lambda we'll insert elements. So yeah, we'll take a for each loop for it, or TaskDemo. List. This is a for each. Yeah, in the for each loop, what will do? We'll insert the elements as the blocking queue dot add, yeah, into the blocking queue. Yeah. Then we'll introduce a delay of dot sleep 100 milliseconds. Run with try catch, and we'll have the thread dot current thread dot interrupt. Similarly, in the blocking queue, will blocking priority queue. Priority diffusal queue. This and the priority queue. Only, yeah, here it comes and put priority blocking queue dot add, yeah. So similar to the blocking producer queue, we'll create a runnable in the Lambda. Yeah, as this are now created, now we will create the consumer lambdas, runnable consumer blocking queue. Yeah. Oh. Empty. Removing elements. Okay. Blocking. priority blocking queue. To say now, as we have created the executor lambdas, we'll now submit the task to the executor service. So exec task will submit the first runnable task, that is blocking producer queue. Submission of executable task. We'll submit the same way. Priority blocking queue. Priority producer block queue, and then we'll introduce a sleep of let's say approx 2 milliseconds, and we will yeah. So after that, we'll handle this is yeah, and for the graceful shutdown, we'll mention that await termination. Time unit dot time unit dot milliseconds. Yeah. We'll execute the shutdown. Yes, full shutdown of all the resources. All the tasks. See, now we have divided the program into blocks. Yeah, so in this program there is some like a slight modification what to do. We process task consumer blocking queue. So that the currently remove element will, what is remove, it will get to know, and similarly we do the task in the task individual task, and just a repetition of this. Currently process task one priority queue task. Yeah, so we'll run the program in a Java application. See, elements inserted in the blocking queue. How I was saying it, priority to task one. After that, we have the priority queue. After that, we have the task 2 inserted in the blocking queue. After that, we have the priority 1, task 2. After that, priority 4, task 3 in the blocking queue, and priority 4, task 3 into the priority queue. After that, priority 3, task 4. So, in this manner, the various tasks are inserted into the blocking queue followed by priority queue. But removing elements from that, they are removed the priority 2, task 1. Priority 1, task 2, priority 4, task 3. And while removing, how the elements are removed. Priority 4, so the top priority element is removed first. And after that, priority 3 element is removed. And after that, priority 2. And the least priority element is removed at the last. So it follows this principle while removing the elements from priority blocking queue. And so like in the normal blocking queue, only it follows the principle of how the elements are inserted. Only that way it removes. But while removing, it takes the priority of the highest element is removed first, followed by the second least priority element, and so on. So after that, we have the graceful shutdown of all the tasks, in which we await termination, and we introduce a specific purpose delay of 3 milliseconds, and after that, it shut down all the tasks, ExecutorService. So this video was all about the demo of blocking queue and priority coming queue, and we saw with the example and how the elements in which how order the elements can be inserted into the blocking queue, and how which order the elements can be into priority queue. So stay tuned. Still, there are some couple of videos in the multi-threading series. See you then.